Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Filthy Chris back with another video. Today we're gonna be doing an unboxing, but before we get the unboxing going, I do got a package I need to drop off at UPS. So we gonna go do this. If you guys do remember, I do have those alternate 89s. They sold on GOAT for $266. I mean, I was kind of hoping for 300, but you know how GOAT is with their with their shipping and all that, you know, the verification, their authentication processes that happen. You gotta pay their employees and all that, so they take a cut out of it. So yeah, we're gonna go drop this off at the UPS, and then we're gonna get the unboxing going. So give me a second to go drop this off. I'll get like a little clips here and there, you know, of me going into the post office and everything like that, so you guys can see the process. You know the vibes, baby. Make sure your mask ain't on backwards either. Yeah, let's go drop this off real quick.
Hi there.
Hi, good morning.
Hi. You have this to ship out?
Yeah, I already have the label on here and everything.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
there's a label right here.
Okay.
Is that taped on correctly?
Yeah.
Yeah. I just reused the box, you know?
Yeah.
I figured.
It's a $5 raffle.
It is?
Yeah. It's $5.
You take cards?
Yeah. They want you to go all the way over there. I don't know, but that's why we have to charge people, because it's like they charge us to pick it up here.
Yeah.
It's crazy. FedEx does it, and so a lot of times, like when I order stuff online, I tell them cute. Like if I'm gonna return something, I always ask for. Oh, your eyes are pretty.
Yours are nice too. Yours are
Yeah,
nice.
thank you.
Thank
All
you.
right, thanks. Have a good day.
You too.
Thanks.
Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Filthy Chris back on the Filthy Kicks channel, and you already know what we got today. We got an unboxing happening, man. Let's get this unboxing right out the way. You know, I had to double intro this video if I did. Wait, did I already intro the video? I don't even know if I did. I'm just doing both in there if I did already. But we do got a shipment, a box, a package from SNKRS app themselves. So SNKRS app actually did quick restocking on this shoe right here. I'm not sure if they still have it on their app, but it was quick. It sold out fast too, so only a few people got this shoe out of that restock, and it was only a couple pairs that dropped. But yeah, we did end up scooping this shoe for like, I believe, 130. So technically this is a shoe under retail, so this is actually good that we got this shoe, you know, because I can sell it for retail and still make profits, because we got to make up for our L's that we've taken quite a bit of L's, man. I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of like yo, it happens, you know, it happens to the best of us. I mean, man, I just hope our L's turn to W's eventually, or at least they break even, you know. Press R, bro. Pay your respects down in the comments, you know what I'm saying? I need some good luck. But this box is so nice, man. Something about this box. This retail for $220, bro. Retail for $220. I copped it for like $130 something, I believe. If I'm not mistaken. But holy smokes. Look at this box, bro. All black. I don't think I've ever seen a box like this. Ever. All black. Can you guys guess what it is? Any of my sneakerhead people out there? Anybody can guess what it is? Nope. Alright, so it's the size 12. Man, my camera's dying, man. What the heck, man? Alright, man. But yeah, we got the size 12 right here in women's, because you know it's a 10.5 in men's. What do we got here, baby? What do we got here? You guys are not gonna believe what I got here, bro. Oh my god, look at this colorway right here. Man, look at this. Look at this shoe, man. Oh my god, it's crazy. It's crazy, man. Look at that. If you'll focus. Come on, don't do me like this. My camera's about to die, man. Focus, please. There we go. Boom. 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 Super clean shoe. Man. Brand new. I like this color, man. I just might keep it for the toe, man. Nobody buys this, I'm keeping it for the toe. Super nice box, man. It looks fancy, super fancy. Do the women's get these nice boxes and the men's we just get the regular boxes? Like, what's up with that, Jordan? Come on, man. You need to hook it up. Hook it up for the boys, man. But yeah, that was a quick little unboxing that we had right there. I wish we could do an on-foot review, but you know, we don't do those here. We'll soon start doing them. I'll start picking up 2 pairs of each shoe that I get eventually, and then we'll do the on-foot review, and then we'll do a flip on one of them. So that's for the future, obviously. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did, leave a like, subscribe if you guys are new. Go follow our Instagram and go follow our Twitter. Other than that, man, I appreciate you guys watching. Peace out.